Fill highly qualified leads in your calendar automatically with this AI-powered appointment scheduler, which you can charge $200 to $300 a month. Great for personal trainers, coaches, advisors, legal consultants, any sort of profession that has one-on-one appointments. It will start off with a form, and the form could be on a website, could link from social media, it also could link from ads, as long as this captures name and a phone number. When someone enters the details, we go into a CRM. The form will look something like that. Once we get their name and phone number, the AI will automatically start to qualify this person. You can ask things from budget, timeline, anything like that. Anytime the lead did not answer the question, it will go to a different AI where it will refer to the FAQ and try to answer the questions which the lead is asking, with the focus of getting them to answer the qualifying questions. If they did answer 3 qualifying questions positively, it will automatically send a calendar invite. This calendar invite is linked with your Gmail or Outlook, and once they did make a booking, it will automatically send you notifications about your booking, as well as send calendar reminders to the lead up to the meeting date. The benefit of using this system is it will fill up your calendar with highly qualified leads because the AI will automatically qualify them. No going back and forth with booking appointments because the calendar system refers to your Google or Outlook calendar. Higher percentage show up rate because we automatically send reminders up to the meeting. And those leads that were not qualified, we will nurture them. We have their contact details inside our CRM. All these is done automatically. We just need to set this up one time and it will run automatically for us. So if you want to get this for free, comment conversation, I'll send you the details.